To add calendar to the lock screen shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Ultra or the S25 Edge. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold, then tap on wallpaper and style. After that, tap on the left hand side panel. Now in here, you can tap on the left or the right shortcut. From the pop-up, go down to the apps section and then select calendar. Then tap on done. Now tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. After, you can press on the side button to go to your lock screen. Here you can quickly access the calendar by swiping on it. You can also go to your lock screen and then touch and hold. And here you can select a left or right shortcut and then scroll down and choose calendar. So here, scroll down and then select calendar and then tap on done. So you can either access this page directly from the lock screen or from the home screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.